Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today I'm doing another final review and it's this cable here, Lightning to HDTV cable. It's designed for your iPhone. It only produces up to 1080p, so it won't do 4K or even 8K. 8K's out now, but we'll do up to 1080p on a large screen TV or even a projector. I've made a video quite a few weeks ago now, unboxing like I normally do and look around and a test, and it all worked fine. I had a bit of trouble with the cable weren't plugged in properly, I had to pull it out, push back in, and it all worked. And I'll stick a link up there or at the end of the video, so in case you want to watch the unboxing part of it and see it all working. I'll even show a little clip in this video of that and showing you it actually working. So let's try camera, let's see if it does it. Oh, there you go. So yeah, oh, it's quite a good picture actually. It doesn't seem to be a lot of lag. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So we know that bit works. Let's see if YouTube works, because I did try it earlier, I couldn't get YouTube to work, so got one of my, oh there you go. Press play. Let's do full screen, see what happens. Yes, she works. I've turned the sound off by the way, just to see if it works. So that's one of my videos of course. It does work. I've had no complaints about it. If people have been out there buying this from my links, no one's come back and complained about it not working and that, so it does work. I've used it, I showed you it in my video, and I can recommend it. I see it up on my shelf up there because it works. I was asked to do a review on this, and that's what I did do. And I wouldn't have bought it myself because I didn't actually have an iPhone, but I managed to get hold of one. I've done the testing, I've had it for a few weeks, and yeah, it's working fine. I'm very pleased with it. So I just wanted to tell you, whether I should give it the thumbs up. And I'll give it the thumbs up, it works. Like I say, I had a bit of trouble when you first plugged it in. If you watch my original video, if you plug it in first into the TV, and wait for it to load up, and then plug your phone in, you should vibrate and it should come up with a message saying allow. So you allow it, and then it just worked fine. I had no trouble. It comes with a 2-meter cable. Also, it has a charger on it as well, so you can actually charge your phone up at the same time as plugging it into your TV. You must make sure that if you do buy one of these, even on Amazon, it actually tells you which phones it will work for, and which so make sure that if you buy this, you buy it for the phone that they say it does work, because I don't want you complaining to me that it doesn't work on your phone and you bought the wrong phone, because you're just going to have to send it back and say, oh sorry, I got the wrong one. Like I say, it comes with a 2-meter cable, so it's quite a long length of it. It will work on a projector, it will work on a TV, and I've tried it on TV, I've tried it on my monitor and it works fine. So I just wanted to do this little short video and put it to rest. So yes, definitely gets a thumbs up. If you're looking for something like this, I can only recommend it, that it works, and that's about it. I think it was only about £13. It's not expensive. So that's it. That is the short video of my final review of the Lightning HDTV cable from a company called, and I'm not sure how to pronounce this, and I think it's BOJECHER or BOJECHER, something like that. And I do apologise, and I think I apologised in my original video as well how I pronounced it, because I could be totally wrong, sounding totally wrong, and I could be putting them down. But yeah, it does work. If you want to buy something like this and you don't want to use Bluetooth for whatever reason, use this. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. If you have any comments, please post them below. I will put some links in the description. That's the information underneath the video in case you don't know what a description is. And please subscribe. And if you like my video, give me the thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. Thanks very much for watching.